As you can see here, there's 2 lanes. Well, there should be 2 lanes. But not if you drive a German car, apparently. And the worst of the matter is, people actually move out of his way like he's in emergency service or something. Look, this car here moves out of his way. No way I would move. Next up, this clown. He seems to think he can drive all the way down the road in the wrong lane and just be let in straight away. No. Not today, anyway. There you go. He shows me, points his finger where he wants to go. Well, I've got a finger for you, buddy. There he is. What an arse. Excellent bit of driving that, mate. Next up, this idiot. Another one who seems to think they can be in the wrong lane and just be let in. Incidentally, this was the day that Stop Oil protest was on the Queen Elizabeth Bridge. So you can see the traffic it's causing on the M25, which is above us there. So everyone is getting a little bit frustrated. But no need to do that. Now we've skipped a little bit here. So we're almost on the M25. We're on the slip road now. Now here he's telling his mate how merge and turns work. Them, us, them, us, them, us. Yes, that is correct. But that wasn't a merge and turn. That was queue jumping, mate. We're going to stay with this guy for a little while because there it is. He makes the fatal mistake of going for his phone. Now I've speeded this up. You can see by my clock on the dash cam that how fast it's going and how long he's on the phone for. Looks like he's doing a bit of FaceTime in there. Little picture of the traffic, why he's late for his next job maybe. Still on the phone. Incidentally, we got music, uncopyrighted music playing now because I had music playing that was copyrighted, so I can't play it. And that's where I leave him. Now we have 2 signs up there saying that these 2 lanes are closed. You'll have to take my word, but that's the first time that we've seen it down this road. And obviously I've got my Audi magnet on the front of my car. We should all be trying to get over into these 2 lanes. Which obviously people don't let you in, as I've just done to the other guys. But this now is a merge and turn because there's no queue jumping. Well, not from us that's in this lane anyway. But some cars must see a tick up there on that box rather than an X. You seem to think that that's their lane now. There's me Audi again. But that's what it's supposed to do, I guess. Now this van here should be trying to go right as we're looking at it, left as he's looking at it, if you know what I mean. But you see the way he turned his steering wheel then, he's looking to go into the lane that's closed. There he goes, he must have seen a tick too. And I did get into the Dartford Tunnel, and I saw that going across two solid white lines. Well done.
Kick-off midweek nights under the lights. Football brought to you for free on the radio, and we even give you a choice on the TalkSport network. On TalkSport 2, it's live exclusive commentary of a game that will literally affect the top.
Are you going to cross the road, or are you going to fucking look at your phone?
Coventry against Sheffield United. On TalkSport, it's a huge night in the
Little
Premier
fucking
League. The show
shits.
comes to you live from Old Trafford, where Manchester United take on Spurs.
Willing team to win each week. If you win through, and if they win through, you carry on. If you don't, you're eliminated. Remember, in this game, if you survive as far as round 5, you win a share of the cash prize pool with big money for the last player standing. Entries cost £10 and close this Saturday, 12 p.m. Get involved now. Go to talksport.com/survivor. Competition rules and terms and conditions apply. 18 plus, please. Be gambleaware.org and be careful, honestly, when you have a bet.
Well, that was in a Villa side that was competitive. It was a Villa side that looked as though it would leave everything out on the pitch. Terry, we're not quite seeing that with this Villa side, are we?
Fucking hell.
Terry?
Oh, did I let you go? Did I let you go?
He's gone through the tunnel, unfortunately.
Or was I just fucking cut up by the van who cut the corner?
With this Villa team,
I wonder what that white line means.
Amazing how much room these people need.
My day today is jam-packed, including being a full-time mum. And if you're busy like me, you can't be slowed down by comfortable footwear with no support. So, I get all the comfort and arch support I need with Skechers Arch Fit footwear.
Is it that hard to get into the right lane?
Footwear with podiatry certified arch support.
Lightweight as well, very lightweight.
Scott, do you watch all the games, Scott?
Yeah, I've got did I watch your?
You watch all the games. You watch where would you say you've seen Gerrard's gone wrong? Mistakes he's made.
I think it's probably about the training pitch. You need to have set your stall out and
Now, why are you moving out there? What are you overtaking?
a few injuries and so on, but you change formation so many times, tweak things, in starting. That's my opinion.
clearly no improvement since Steven Gerrard came in, even though that was the remit why Dean Smith was sacked, because there had
Why
been
did
no
you move
improvement
over
in the
to that
side.
lane
Who can come in then and improve this side? Who do you
to
want?
do that?
I mean, there's a lot of rumours of Pochettino.
I'm seeing this more and more frequently on our motorways. That to the left is a slip road off the motorway. Not meant to be a road to undertake because there's a heavy traffic in front. But this guy here is a special case.